Ever pondered how certain individuals effortlessly blend into any social setting, seamlessly connecting with everyone? It seems like everyone wants to be around them, relishing their company. There's an air of ease around them. Wherever they go, barriers seem to vanish, and closed doors become non-existent. Are they employing some secret hacks, or do they possess insights you're yet to uncover? They're often labeled as social butterflies or community leaders, but at their core, they exude charisma. Charisma, often overlooked yet crucial, is a quality that holds immense value in life. It's something you undoubtedly need more of. Curious to learn more? Watch the video until the end as we delve into ways to enhance your charisma. Before delving into tips and tricks to enhance your charisma, it's essential to grasp the concept of charisma itself and its significance in your life. Contrary to popular belief, charisma isn't an innate trait. Rather, it's a skill that can be cultivated and honed over time. It encompasses a blend of various factors and personality traits, such as confidence, charm, humor, social skills, and emotional intelligence. Mastering the art of charisma has profound effects. It draws people toward you naturally, facilitating genuine connections on a personal level. This enhanced likability, influence, and memorability can pave the way for greater opportunities, both personally and professionally. With this understanding established, let's delve into practical tips to cultivate your charisma. The first tip focuses on body language, a fundamental aspect of charisma. Your body language significantly shapes others' perceptions of you. Slouching, avoiding eye contact, or adopting a closed posture signals insecurity and unapproachability. Conversely, standing tall, maintaining eye contact, and exhibiting an open posture exude confidence and warmth. Thus, becoming mindful of and refining your body language is an initial step toward enhancing your charisma. Before diving into strategies for improving your charisma, let's first grasp the essence of charisma itself and why it's a crucial skill to develop. Charisma isn't an innate trait. Rather, it's a skill that can be nurtured and refined over time. It encompasses a blend of various factors and personality traits, including confidence, charm, humor, social skills, and emotional intelligence. Mastering the art of charisma allows you to naturally draw people toward you, fostering genuine connections on a personal level. This enhanced likability, influence, and memorability can open doors to better opportunities in both personal and professional spheres. With this understanding established, let's delve into practical tips to cultivate your charisma. The first tip focuses on body language, a fundamental aspect of charisma. Your body language significantly shapes others' perceptions of you. Slouching, avoiding eye contact, or adopting a closed posture signals insecurity and unapproachability. Conversely, standing tall, maintaining eye contact, and exhibiting an open posture exude confidence and warmth. Thus, becoming mindful of and refining your body language is an initial step toward enhancing your charisma. Now that we've established the importance of charisma, let's explore practical tips to cultivate it. The first tip revolves around body language, a pivotal aspect of charisma. Your body language significantly influences how others perceive you. Slouching, avoiding eye contact, or adopting a closed posture can convey insecurity and unapproachability. Conversely, standing tall with shoulders back and making eye contact exudes confidence and warmth. Thus, becoming aware of and refining your body language is an initial step toward enhancing. Stand tall with your shoulders back and chin up, maintaining eye contact while conversing. Keep an open posture, refraining from crossing your arms or legs. Utilize hand gestures to accentuate your points, but be mindful not to overdo it, as it may appear unnatural. Tip number 2 delves into the importance of effective communication and articulation. Charismatic individuals not only excel in listening, but also in expressing themselves clearly and persuasively. The ability to articulate thoughts and ideas cogently is vital for personal and cognitive development, as it enhances various cognitive skills such as memory, attention, and problem-solving. Effective communication is essential for building relationships and navigating personal and professional endeavors successfully. In summary, honing your body language and communication skills are crucial steps toward cultivating charisma and unlocking greater personal and professional opportunities. As children develop their verbal expression skills, they simultaneously enhance their ability to think in more complex and abstract ways. Language development serves as a significant indicator of cognitive and emotional growth. Children facing challenges in language acquisition may lag behind in other developmental areas. Effective communication through language is vital for both personal and social development. Language enables individuals to articulate thoughts, feelings, and needs, facilitating the building of relationships and fostering trust. It equips individuals with the tools to negotiate, resolve conflicts, persuade, influence, and empathize. Moreover, the capacity to speak and articulate thoughts is essential for success in academic and professional settings. Effective communication is a critical skill across various fields and professions, with individuals who can express their ideas clearly and persuasively being more likely to succeed in their careers. Recognizing the importance of effective communication, the Alex app places a strong emphasis on this aspect. Through daily sessions and learning packs curated with insights from psychologists, therapists, counselors, and life coaches, the app aims to help users create the life they aspire to. For those seeking to enhance their communication skills, the app offers a plethora of resources and starting points for improvement. Tip number 3 emphasizes the importance of making people feel heard and valued before speaking. Charismatic individuals excel not only as speakers but also as listeners. They exhibit empathy, attentiveness, and ask thoughtful questions, fostering deeper connections and stronger relationships. Here are some practical tips to demonstrate care and empathy. Focus on the person you're conversing with instead of planning your response in advance. Acknowledge the person's feelings and perspectives to show empathy. Use open-ended questions to encourage the person to share more. Summarize what the person has said to demonstrate active listening and clarify any misunderstandings. Capitalize on people's inclination to talk about themselves and their achievements, enriching social interactions. Ensure each conversation adds value by seizing every opportunity to contribute positively. Moving forward, tip number 4 underscores the significance of confidence in one's actions. Charismatic individuals exude confidence whether presenting, networking, or decision-making. Confidence not only inspires trust in others but also propels personal growth and achievement. Charismatic individuals exude confidence in all aspects of their lives, whether it's presenting, networking, or decision-making. They possess unwavering belief in themselves and their abilities, readily taking on responsibilities. This confidence is palpable and radiates from them, influencing those around them. Here are some effective tips to cultivate confidence. 1. Believe in yourself, recognize your strengths and capabilities, and trust in your ability to succeed. Even if you're unsure initially, believing in yourself can lead to genuine confidence. 3. Speak up, don't shy away from expressing your opinions and perspectives. Your voice matters, and speaking up assertively can boost your confidence. 4. Learn to say no, set boundaries, and prioritize your needs. Saying no when necessary shows self-respect and reinforces your confidence. 5. Embrace authenticity, be genuine and true to yourself. Authenticity builds trust and rapport with others, enhancing your charisma. 6. Maintain a positive attitude, approach challenges with optimism and resilience. A positive mindset not only boosts your confidence but also inspires others around you. 7. Practice vulnerability, share your struggles and imperfections openly. Vulnerability fosters genuine connections and demonstrates authenticity. 8. Cultivate gratitude, focus on the positives in your life and express gratitude regularly. Gratitude shifts your perspective toward abundance and enhances your overall well-being. By implementing these tips, you can gradually enhance your confidence and authenticity, thus enriching your charisma and influencing those around you positively. Now let's turn the conversation to you. What, in your opinion, is the most important personality trait one can possess? Share your insights in the comments below. We value your perspective. And if you found this video valuable, don't forget to show your support by liking it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again tomorrow.